Hello viewers, so today I am going to demonstrate how to change or replace Samsung smart remote batteries. So as you can see, I am holding a Samsung smart remote here. I have purchased this Samsung smart TV already 1 year. So recently this remote is not working. So I thought the battery might have to be replaced. So after thinking that, I tried to open the remote so that I can replace the batteries. After several attempts, I tried with this arrow direction. I tried to open it, but no success at all. Then afterwards, I tried with these areas, tried with some sharp object, even tried with my nail, but no success at all. I was anxious, that I was worried that I might damage the remote, and it was obvious that it was not opening at all. So after several attempts, I searched over the internet and found a good solution to easily open the remote so that the battery can be replaced. So I'm going to demonstrate how to do that easily without not harming the remote or any other parts of it. So this is how it going to work. Firstly, you have to keep the battery this way. You put your thumb finger here. You have to make sure that the fingers are not oily. If it is oily, then consider to wash it with soap. So it's not oily, so I am putting my thumb here, and what I am going to do is to put a gentle pressure here. At the same time, I am going to push forward. So here you can see it is easily opened. So I am now going to open the cover this way. So after that, I can easily change or replace the batteries. So I'm going to show again. You have to put your thumb finger here and just put some slight pressure. At the same time, push forward. This is so easy. Even a child can do it. So I think that you see, even a child can do it. It's a very easy to do. So thank you for watching this video, and keep in mind that this smart remote is very unique and it is very much expensive. So if there is any damage done to it, you have to pay a lot of money to buy a new remote, and that remote might not work as like as original. So thank you once again, and if you like my video, consider to subscribe my channel, and also ring the bell icon so that if there is any new video in my channel, you can easily see to it. Thank you.